There's so many people out there, they have massive potential to grow themselves, grow their wealth, physically, mentally, morally, but they're really struggling on how they can hack their superpower that would open massive doors for them to get them to where they want to go. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how you could unlock your superpower and use these hacks to take your life to the next level. So what are the things you need to do to actually hack or unlock your superpower that will take you to the next level, that would eliminate any unlimited belief you have in you? Right, the first thing how you look at this is basically, look at it this way. What do you want to be in 2 or 3 years' time? Think about it thoroughly, because there's so many people out there who knows what they do not want, but they don't really know what they want or who they want to be in the future. So it's a very important thing to kind of understand before you're able to take yourself from where you are to where you want to go. So look at yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and say, who do I want to become in the next 3 years? Or what do I want to achieve in the next 3 years? Look back, it's 3 years from now. You had an amazing life. You've got the girl you want, you've got the boy you want, you've secured over maybe 10 or 15 property deals, maybe 20 properties big. How does that look like? You have to future forecast that. You have to know what you want to achieve in 3 years' time. Is it the girl you wanted? You've got married to that girl, or you got married to that boy? Or do you want to secure maybe 10, 15 or 20 property deals in the next 3 years? Look back and see how life would be like if you were to secure 50 properties, 20 properties, 30 properties. You got your boy or girl you want, you got a child, or you've got a daughter, whoever, whatever that dream is. Look on that dream, future forecast yourself, and look back and see, wow, how amazing that life would be. Get like engraved in that lifestyle. See yourself seeing all these things happening in you, within your mind's eye, right? See that manifesting in your mind's eye. Breathe it. Whatever you do, think about it. Make sure it is in you, as is you, and is going through you all the time. Hack that in. Make sure you got that dream visualized in your mind's eye, because that's what helps you uncover your superpower. Because once you start visualizing things like that, once you start seeing them in your mindset, once you've seen what you've achieved, you become a successful property investor, for example, or you become a successful entrepreneur. What that means is it literally enlightens you, it literally makes you bubble, and it start bringing something very important in your life. Believes that you can achieve what you set yourself to achieve. The second thing you do also to uncover your superpower is to ask yourself this question: why do you want to achieve what you want to achieve, looking back the 3 years? Well, here's the thing. This needs to be very important, because this is what keep you keeping on when they're going really tough. Look at yourself. Why do you really want to achieve what you've set yourself to achieve in the next 3 years? Now, the way it works for me personally is basically looking at the pain I would feel if I do not achieve what I've set myself to achieve. Remember the 3 years, look future forecasting yourself, what you want to achieve. Looking at it in a way that you said, if I don't achieve this thing, my life would be horrible, my life would be really bad. I won't be able to marry the girl I want, I won't be able to go to the holidays I want, I was stuck in the same job I'm in, where I am undervalued and underappreciated. So what I do, I bring that emotional pain within me. Because once you've got that emotional pain within you, and you then hack the reason why you want to do it, is it for your wife? Is it for your children? Is it for your mom, your dad? Is it for the charity that you're working on? Is it for your community? Whatever it is, you need to have a strong why. Because if your why is all about money, believe you me, once you start making money, your why will just fade away. So it has to be emotional why, a why that would make you wake up in the morning. Do you not like the life you're living in right now? Is it a life that you believe you deserve better? You deserve to actually live a comfortable life where you, your family, and everybody around you are living an amazing life. If that's the lifestyle you want in the future, then hit that back up with a pain of what would happen if you haven't achieved that. You see, doing that would allow you to actually not just uncover your superpower, but literally unravel the skills and capability you have to take you to the next level. Because that why is what wakes you up in the morning when you're really tired. That is the why that wakes you up when it's freezing cold outside, it's snowing. Once you remember what your why is, you wake up, you throw that duvet away, and you jump up the bed, and then you go and do whatever you want to do. So you have to have a strong why, because that why is the why that gets you to actually take you to the next level. The third thing you need to understand then is understanding how you are going to get there, right? That is the roadmap, right? What skills or capability do you need to have in order to get you to where you want to go? Do you have to have good communication skills? Do you need to improve your analytic skills? Do you need to actually surround yourself with successful people? Do you need to learn about the property strategy you want to invest in? Do you want to learn about the actual business you want to get into? What are the skills and capabilities you need to tap into to get you to where you want to go? Because that's the only thing that would help you expedite your process. Because if you've got the capability and the skills, you've already set the mindset, which was the looking future forecasting yourself 3 years of where you want to be, and you have a solid why. And now you look at the capabilities you need to get you to where you want to go. That would then allow you to do the next step. The fourth step is to find someone or something who has the capabilities and the skills you are looking for, right? It's all about the who. Back in the days, they said, oh, it's what or where and when. Now it's who. Who can you tap into that will take you to where you want to go the fastest and most efficient way? It doesn't have to be a property guru. It doesn't have to be someone who is well known out there. You have to get that person that you relate to, someone that you think really touched you, so to speak, okay? Tap into that person's potential, because what that does basically, he will literally work with you to take you from where you are to where you want to go the quickest and most efficient way, right? Because that's what I did in my property investment journey. What I did when I started, basically, I knew I wanted to do rent-to-rent. Then I said to myself, okay, what is my why? I hacked my why. And then obviously I asked myself, what skills and capabilities do I need that would allow me to be a professional rent-to-rent investor? So what I did basically, I went out there and looked for someone who is absolutely amazing in rent-to-rent and rent-to-service accommodation. So I get that person, literally, I study them online, I watch their YouTube videos, I get them to coach me and mentor me. Basically, it expedited my process. If you're thinking about, oh, maybe I can do this on YouTube, maybe I can watch YouTube videos, maybe I can Google it. Listen, you may get there, but it will take you a very, very long time to get there. Why spend 3 or 4 hours in YouTube or Googling stuff, whilst you can get someone who you can tap into instantly, give you a knowledge they've learned for 3 years in about 30 minutes? That is the way you can grow yourself to the next level. It's not about taking shortcuts. It's not about trying to say, oh, it's a bit expensive. It's about investing in you. Get that person, whether you're going to shadow them, whether you're going to offer them a meal, for example, invite them for a meal, or maybe offer working for them for free. Or if you don't want to do that, get them to mentor you, coach you to take you to the next level. Because once they've done that with you, believe you me or not, you would expedite your process drastically. Because when I started, I was thinking, oh, I'm going to Google this stuff. I'm going to watch it in YouTube. I wasted valid time. I would have escalated my property investment journey. So I'm advising you that anybody that you feel that you're related with, that really looks like someone that you could work with, I advise you to kind of approach that person. Let that person work with you to take you to where you want to go. Again, I do offer an exclusive mentorship programs as well. If you're interested with that, I will leave a link in the description below. But it doesn't have to be me, by the way. It could be anybody else. Just find someone who will take you from where you are to where you want to go, because that's what helps you take you to the next level. The final hack is getting addiction to be uncomfortable. Now, what do I mean by that? Look, for you to get to where you want to go, right, you need a different capability. Because the skills and capability you have gets you to where you are right now. In order for you to be able to get yourself from where you are now to the next level, is to be able to be addicted to be uncomfortable, because it's going to be rough, it's going to be tough, you're going to be pushed to do some stuff that you could not have done in your comfort zone. It will make you uncomfortable. So you need to get addicted to that and understand that you have to go through that process in order to take yourself to the next level. Because if you're not uncomfortable, if you're always okay in what what you're doing, that means you're not growing. When you feel uncomfortable and stressed, you are not just growing, but you're taking yourself to the next level. So get addiction to be uncomfortable, and also get addicted to actually hearing no's, because there will be so many people saying no to you, rejecting you, not want to do anything with you. For example, family members may be thinking you are going crazy, but you have to get comfortable with that rejection in order to take you to the next level. Because if you don't do that, you'll still be in the same place, doing the same usual stuff that will either get you to be deteriorated or obviously get you to stay in the same place. So you have to get an addiction to be uncomfortable and actually stressed. That will take you to the next level. It's like going to the gym basically. If you're doing these reps, right, unless you hit that really painful rep, your muscles are not growing. But after that painful rep, if you do any one or couple of reps, that's what takes you, that's what builds the muscle, and that's what gets you to have massive muscles. Again, that's just a tiny example for you to know. A similar thing happens when it comes to business and entrepreneurship. You know, once you start getting uncomfortable, what that means basically, you are growing and you're taking yourself to the next level. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. I look forward to sharing the next video.